Welcome back to my channel. Join me as I crochet a daisy chain garland. For this project I used double knit weight yarn in yellow, white and green, crochet hooks 5mm and 3.5mm, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate finished length was 59 inches. The list of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Round 1. Use a 5mm hook and yellow yarn. In a magic ring, chain 1, then single crochet 10. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring and slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. You'll have 10 stitches. Cut the yarn and sew the loose ends if you wish. Round 2. Still using the 5mm hook, in any stitch rejoin the white yarn. Chain 1 and single crochet 1 into the same stitch. Chain 5. Do a 2 double treble cluster into the next stitch, so yarn over 3 times, insert a hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. So you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over 3 times again, insert the hook in the same stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Chain 5 and single crochet 1 into the next stitch. One petal is complete. Chain 5, 2 double treble cluster the next stitch, chain 5, single crochet 1 the next stitch 4 more times. So the final petal again, chain 5, 2 double treble cluster the next stitch, chain 5 and replace the last single crochet with a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Cut your yarn and sew any loose ends. For this pattern I made 10 daisies. Put them to one side a moment. Now for the cord. Use the 3.5mm hook and the green yarn. Chain 295. Work in the back loop of the chain. From the second chain, slip stitch 35. Turn over a daisy and slip stitch 1 into a vertical stitch on the back. Slip stitch 24 and slip stitch 1 with a daisy 9 times. When you've slip stitched your final daisy, slip stitch 35 to the end of the cord. Cut your yarn, sew loose ends and flatten your flowers. Your daisy chain garland is complete. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Okay, love you, bye.